Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. Hope you have all completed your notes and worksheet part and revision. In the last class, I've given you the revision. I've completed also. Write it in your if you're having last year's long notebook, or if you have purchased new book from the school, you can use that to write the revision. Okay, if you're not having long notebook last year's also, this year also, there is no need to worry. Take a short notebook and write in that book and read. For reading purpose, we are telling you to write in the book. If you write and keep in the book, then you can easily, when you're reading the revision, you can read very easily in that book, isn't it? So we are telling you to copy the revision in the book. Don't write the worksheet and all. Write only the classworks and revision. That's enough. Okay, and you have to use blue gel pen. Don't use red gel pen to write the classwork. I should not see any red pens writing the questions or heading and all. Don't use any other color pens. Only you have to use blue gel pen to write the classwork. Okay. Now today in the last class I didn't complete that grammar, right? Articles we have not completed. Only 2 mains was left. That today we will complete it. Okay, children? Fill in the blanks. Page number 14, grammar, English grammar textbook. Page number 14, fourth main. Fill in the right articles or leave a blank. Fill in the right article or leave a blank when no article is needed. If there is no article, if it is not needed, then just put a small dash to for in the sentence. Okay, first one, 4th May, page number 14. I am repeating the page number. In the page number 14, 4th main, fill in the right article or leave a blank. Leave a blank when no article is needed. When no article is needed, you have to put a small dash. Okay, first one, we'll see what to write. Dash British rule in India ended in 1947. Ended in 1947. Dash. What is the answer you have to write? The British rule in India ended in 1947. Second one. Are you interested in dash arts or dash science? Are you interested? Second one. Are you interested in dash arts or dash science? No article is required there. So you have to put a small dash in that sentence. Okay. Third one. The man was sent to dash prison for robbery. For robbery. The man was sent to dash prison for robbery. There is no article required there in that sentence, so put a small dash. Next one, fourth one. Who invented dash computer? Who invented dash computer? You have to complete that sentence, no? So you have to write the article. The. Who invented the computer? Fifth one, the spacecraft went into dash space. The spacecraft went into dash space. What the answer you have to write? There is no article required in that sentence. So put small dash. Put small dash. Sixth one, dash water changes to dash steam at about 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. There is no article required. So put small dash. Put small dash. Seventh one. Albert Einstein was not dash ordinary man. He was dash genius. He was dash Genius. So what articles you required in this sentence? In the first dash, Albert Einstein was not an ordinary man. He was a genius. He was a genius. Then eighth one, I love dash music very much. I love dash music very much, especially dash music of Mozart. Mozart. What the which article you require to complete this sentence? First dash. There is no article required in the first sentence, and the second sentence, the article you have to use. Dash ninth one. My friend lives on dash first floor of dash old house. You require the articles right in this to complete the sentence. So my friend lives on the first floor of an old house. Tenth one. Is it dash MP3 player? Is it dash MP3 player? Tenth one. An MP3 player. Is it an MP3 player? Here you have to use an article an. Okay. Next, we are going to move for the next main, that is fifth main. Fifth main. Complete the passage with suitable articles. Complete the passage with suitable articles. I'll read out the passage. And I'll write the answers on the board. Okay. I live in dash apartment. I live in dash apartment on dash fifth floor. Which article you have to use in this sentence? In this sentence, first para. I'm writing in first para. And the my neighborhood is dash interesting place. What you have to write here? And there is dash supermarket across dash street where we go shopping every week. There is also dash post office and dash bank near our house. What are the articles you require here? In our neighborhood, there is dash small park where we like to have picnics on weekends and holidays. What you have to write there? A. The first stanza is completed. The second stanza. Second para. Dash butterfly lays a dash egg on dash leaf. An egg on a leaf. In dash few days, dash caterpillar comes out of dash egg. It eats and eats. Then it makes dash cocoon. What do you mean by this? You have to write the article here. First, we'll complete the article. A out of the egg. The article you have to use here, and dash A. It in the cocoon for many days. The cocoon breaks open and beautiful butterfly comes out. It flies away soon. Butterfly grows big and comes back to lay eggs. Till where we have completed cocoon. The next, the cocoon, please write neatly in the grammar textbook write with the pencil. You have to write with the pencil. Don't use pen to write in the grammar textbook. Okay, we have completed the fifth main. We'll go for the sixth main. You have to read the passage and answer the questions that follow. I'll read out the paragraph. Listen to me carefully and try to answer. I'll give the answer, but listen to me carefully. The woodpecker is an interesting and amazing bird. It has a strong pointed beak that acts as a hammer to break from trees and find insects to eat. It has a very long tongue that is sticky on the tip for catching insects. Woodpeckers are a little different from other birds. They have two sharp claws pointing back and two sharp claws pointing forward. On each foot to help them hold onto the sides of trees. The woodpecker eats insects, fruits, and nuts. It lives in forests with lots of trees. First one, sixth main, first one, answer. Okay. How does the beak of a woodpecker help it? They're asking, how does the beak of a woodpecker help it? The beak, answer. The beak helps the woodpecker to remove from trees and find insects to eat. This is the first one answer. Now we'll go for the second one. What helps the woodpecker to catch insects? The woodpecker catches insects with its long tongue that is sticky on the tip. Then the third one. We'll move for the third one. I'll erase this, children. Pause the video and complete it. Okay? I'll erase the fourth main. I'll erase the fourth main, and I'm going to write the answer here. Third one answer. What is the third one question? How are woodpeckers different from other birds? How are woodpeckers different from other birds? Third one answer. Woodpeckers are different. Different from other birds because they have two sharp claws pointing back and two sharp claws pointing forward. Now we'll move to the fourth one. What does the woodpecker eat? What does the woodpecker eat? The woodpeckers eat insects, fruits and nuts. I've completed fourth one. I'm going to write the fifth one here, children. I'm going to erase this fifth main. Please pause the video and complete it. Don't keep incomplete work. Fifth one, sixth main, fifth one. Where does the woodpecker live? Where does the woodpeckers live? Answer, it lives in forest with lots of trees. We have completed sixth main, children. We have completed sixth main. Articles we have completed. Today what I've given, this three mains is not being given in the test. I'm telling that also because there is no need to worry. As I told in the last class, there is a shortage of time. We could not able to complete this. So there is no need to worry. This part, article chapter has been completed today. Okay, and what I've given in this three mains is not been given for the test. There is no need to worry. Okay, children. Thank you. Complete this. Don't keep incomplete. Complete this, and we'll move to the next topic in the next class. Okay. Hope you all have completed the classwork and homework also. Complete and read. if you write and keep no use, children, you have to read for the test. You have to read. So then and there itself you complete the reading work and the writing part also. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.